Hey guys, what's up? Hdemarzo here from the Tech Cruiser channel. We have some awesome new software to show and talk to you about today. It's currently in beta, and I'll drop a link down below where you can go ahead and sign up for the beta. It's called Rabbit, and it's basically a brand new way of thinking about video chatting. The best way that I can describe this software is if you take Skype, Google Plus Hangouts, and Skype and Google Plus Hangouts and mix them together, you get this. You get the Rabbit software. Now, basically, you sign up for an account, and that's your hub. That's your home. So we'll go ahead. Let's take a look at the software right now. So this is the interface that you get after you have signed up for your account. It basically is like just a hub of all the different rooms that people have created. Now, if you look on the top of the individual windows that are up here, you'll see a number. The number indicates how many people are currently in that room. So like if we go to this one here, Best of College Humor, it'll come up, and whatever's running on collegehumor.com will show up there. If there's anybody active in the room, they'll show up in the side over here. You can chat with that person. If they're on there, you click on their profile picture, and you can start a video chat with them. If you wanted to create a room, there's this button, very easy, right down here, create a room. You can give it a name. You can upload your own background, or you can choose from the several that they have in here. Pretty nifty kind of photographs and backgrounds and just kind of cool things going on. You can make it a private room by invite only for those certain people that you choose. Now, the difference between, you say, well, what's the difference? The private invite-only rooms, you're going to be allowed to stream your Spotify list. You're going to be able to stream, any music or movies that are DRM protected because of copyright reasons. The everyone room, it's basically just you're going to come in. There's some stuff that you can stream in the public rooms, like College Humor. You can stream Hulu, some stuff like YouTube, things like that. You can stream in a public room. You can make it so that you're showing something. If you had, you have a group of friends working on a project together, and you had something awesome to show everybody, you'd use that for that, so that you're the only one that can stream material. So once you've created your room, they'll show up down here. Now, this is kind of a way to toggle what shows up in the main screen. Now, if you click all rooms, it's going to show what you see here, all of the rooms that are created. And let me say, on a daily basis, this number of rooms increases. The last time I was on this a couple of days ago, it was like 180 rooms. So it's jumped quite a bit. I'm hoping that there's going to be some way to limit the number of rooms you can create so that it doesn't get as cluttered. But the rooms that you have created are going to show up under My Rooms. Now, I've created 2 rooms, and they will show up under that tab. Now, Friends Rooms, if you have any friends that are on the software, that are using it, that have created rooms, they'll show up right there. Now, as a note, right now, this only is available for Mac. From what I've heard and from what I understand, they are working on the Windows version. So I know a lot of people have Windows PCs, so it'll increase the number of people that you can have on your friends list. Now, speaking of friends list, this isn't like AIM, where you get their credentials. This strictly pulls off of your Facebook friends. So you have to kind of be friends with them on a social level in order to integrate them into the software. I did mention that to the developers. Maybe it's a good idea to have a separate friends list for just people using Rabbit, so that way if you meet some cool people, professionally, you want to branch out your professional network, you can add them on a rabbit friend list and not have to share your personal information with them unless you so choose. Now, feature rooms is going to be the top ones that I guess people have been visiting. This one, there's a lot of these video ones. Hulu, College Humor, TED Talks, all of that kind of stuff is on there. The UI is really, really interesting. It's kind of not intrusive at all. I mean, you could minimize this and just have it in audio chat. Your icon over here is on the side with really, really basic, easy to figure out options. If you want to mute your mic, you hit mute mic. If you want to log out, you'll log out of the software. Over here on the left-hand side, there's people. And these are all the people that are on your friends list. Now, if you have some people that are using the service and they're online, it'll show them right there. You can also invite people with that list also. But right now, that's pretty much all there is. I mean, the UI is great. I love the way that they designed it. But like I said, there's small little tweaks. I think that they could bring the software way above and beyond what it is. Like a who's online on Rabbit. Just in general, who's online, not just your friends list. And the addition of that, the Rabbit friends list doesn't have to integrate with your Facebook. I think that would be an amazing feature. But like I said, this is in beta right now, so all of that stuff may come with the RC version. I'm hoping that it does because this software has potential to be amazing, groundbreaking. I'm already in love with it, and there's almost none of my friends are on it. So let me also start by saying that if you don't have a lot of friends on this, it can be a little lonely talking to yourself in the little window here in the corner. So keep that in mind. It's still very, very new. It's still in beta. There's not a lot of people who have it. If there are, I mean, you can add friends, but again, you're going to add them on Facebook also. So keep that in mind. You can add new friends, but you'll be adding them on Facebook. So be careful of who you add. There's definitely some creepy people out there on the internet. But there's a lot of rooms out here. If you just kind of scroll through, you'll be able to see who's on by looking at that number up top. So I will, like I said, I will drop that link down below. But right now, I give this 2 thumbs up. I've been using it for about a week now, and love the interface. I love the UI. The only thing that I wish that they would implement, now if your computer does not have a built-in webcam, you're kind of beat. Because I haven't seen, there's no configuration options for using an external webcam with this. I haven't seen that yet. There are no options for choosing an alternative webcam. Maybe that'll come in later versions of the software. It would be great if it did, because right now I'm using the Logitech C910 webcam, and it's truly amazing. See, there's really no, if you go into the options, there's really no settings for choosing an alternate webcam. Another thing that they might want to think about adding in, I'm sure lots of the people who are into the beta are throwing them suggestions on a daily basis. I myself have thrown them a couple of really solid suggestions. That's the website right there, but like I said, I will drop it down below. It's www.rabbit.it is the website. So click that link down below. Let me know what you think. If you've been using the software, let me know what you think. If you want an invite, send me a DM. Drop a comment down below. I'll try and get the invite out to you as best as I can. So until next time, keep it real.
Oh.